Welcome to the Right Renovation. Keep motivated and stay on board. Okay, so as promised, we're going to do the cost of the bathroom, from everything from the ceiling down to under the floor. So let's start with the good bits, the tiles. Remember the tiles? Free of charge. Obviously we had stuff like adhesive and grout, which I already had in my stock, but we had to add a slight amount to it. So it's £15 for the adhesive and £10 for the grout. Then we move on to the toilet. Obviously that was a big fat free, just cleaned up, tidied up, perfect. The sink, that was £89. The sink waste, the bottle trap and the pipe work came to £21, bringing it to a total of £110. The tap I already had in stock, so that was a bonus. Okay, so here comes the more expensive side of it. The shower cubicle, the actual glass cubicle, was £199. The shower thermostatic bar with the pipe and the rain shower head was £149. And the shower tray, the 1000 by 800ml offset shower tray, was £229 with a £14 shower waste. So we painted the ceiling. That didn't cost anything because I already had the bathroom paint in stock as such. But I did purchase two lights, two of the LED lights, which was cool white. They were £9 each, so £18. The extractor vent, we put a new extractor vent in there and a pipe in the loft going to the extractor fan. They came to a total of £12. Okay, so onto the flooring. We had to put some hardboard down, if you remember. That came to £20. The lino was £40 with £50 fitting. And the skirting around the bathroom came to a total of £15. And the few bits left, we had the mirror, we had a new pull cord, we had some shelves in the shower and also a shelf above the sink, that came to £50. For a quick tot up of probably copper pipes, fittings like the waste fittings for under the shower and all stuff like that, I reckon that came to a total of about £45. And just before I forget, if you remember the cabinet we got off Marketplace free of charge, so that gives us a grand total of £976. So I'd like to thank everybody who likes, shares and comments on this video channel. Thank you ever so much for staying with me, and please stay with me for the next project, which will be the bedroom. See you then.